Hello and welcome to the English Flow podcast. I am your host, Lucas. I am very happy to be here with you today. Today is a beautiful day to learn something new. We are going to talk about a very special topic. The topic is positive thinking in daily life. This is a very important topic for everyone. It can change your life. It can make you feel better every single day. Before we start, I have a small favor to ask you. Please subscribe to our channel right now. Click the button to subscribe. If you subscribe, you will not miss our future episodes about positive thinking in daily life. We want you to be part of our community. Thank you for subscribing. Now, let us begin our lesson about being happy and positive. Positive thinking is not magic. It is a way of seeing the world. When you have positive thinking, you look for the good things. You do not look for the bad things. For example, imagine you have a glass of water. Is the glass half empty? Or is the glass half full? A positive thinker says the glass is half full. They are happy for the water. They do not worry about the empty space. This is a simple example, but it is very true. You can choose your thoughts. You can choose to see the good parts of your day. It takes practice, but you can do it. You must try to find one good thing in every situation. This is the first step to positive thinking in daily life. Why is positive thinking important? It is important for your health. When you think positive thoughts, your body feels good. You have less stress. Stress is bad for your body. Stress makes you tired. Positive thinking gives you energy. You feel strong. You feel ready to work or study. Also, positive thinking helps you make friends. People like to be around happy people. If you smile and speak kind words, people will like you. They will want to help you. So positive thinking is good for your body and your social life. It helps you in many different ways. You sleep better at night. You wake up happy in the morning. It is a very healthy habit for your life. Now, let us talk about the morning. The morning is the most important part of the day. How do you start your day? Do you wake up and say, "Oh no, I am tired"? Or do you wake up and say, "Today is going to be a great day"? You must start with positive words. When you open your eyes, smile, stretch your body, look at the sun through the window. Say to yourself, "I am happy to be alive." This sets the mood for the whole day. If you start with a smile, you will continue to smile. If you start with anger, you will be angry all day. Please try this tomorrow morning. Wake up and think one good thought immediately. Breakfast is also a good time for positive thinking. When you eat your food, enjoy it. Do not rush. Do not look at your phone and read bad news. Look at your coffee or your tea. Smell the food. Taste the food. Say thank you for your breakfast. This is called mindfulness. It is part of positive thinking. You focus on the present moment. You are happy for the simple things. Maybe you have toast and eggs. That is a wonderful meal. Be happy for it. When you eat with a calm mind, your digestion is better. You feel peaceful. This peace stays with you when you go to work or school. It is a very simple practice. But what happens when things go wrong? Everyone has bad moments. Maybe you miss the bus. Maybe you spill your coffee. Maybe you make a mistake at work. A negative thinker gets angry. They say, "My day is ruined." A positive thinker reacts differently. They say, "It is okay. It is just a small problem." This is very important. You must not let one small bad thing ruin your whole day. You must breathe deep. You must say, "I can fix this." Positive thinking helps you solve problems. When you are calm, you can think clearly. You can find a solution. Anger does not help you solve problems. Let us talk about gratitude. Gratitude means saying thank you. Gratitude is the best friend of positive thinking. You can practice gratitude every day. You can keep a notebook. In this notebook, write 3 things you are happy about. You can write, "I am happy for my family." You can write, "I am happy for the sunshine." You can write, "I am happy for my dog." Do this every day. When you look for things to write, your brain changes. Your brain starts to see more good things. You train your brain to be positive. It is like exercise for your mind. The more you say thank you, the happier you will feel. Another important thing is the words you use. Words are very powerful. Do not use negative words. Do not say "I can't." Do not say "I hate this." Instead, use positive words. Say, "I will try." Say, "I can learn." Say, "I like this challenge." When you change your words, you change your feelings. If you say, "I am tired," you feel more tired. If you say, "I have energy," you feel more energy. Listen to yourself when you speak. If you hear a negative word, stop. Change it to a positive word. This is a very strong tool for positive thinking in daily life. Who are your friends? The people around you are important. If your friends are always negative, you will become negative. If your friends complain all the time, you will complain too. You need to be around positive people. Find friends who smile. Find friends who encourage you. Positive energy is contagious. This means it moves from one person to another. If you are with happy people, you will catch their happiness. If you cannot find positive friends, you can listen to positive podcasts like this one. We can be your positive friends. Surround yourself with good voices and good stories. This protects your mind from negativity. Let us talk about kindness. Being kind to others makes you feel good. When you help someone, you feel happy. This is a fact. You can do small things. You can hold the door for someone. You can smile at a stranger. You can help your mother with the dishes. When you do good, you feel good. This increases your positive thinking. You see that you are a good person. You see that the world is a nice place. Kindness is a circle. You give kindness, and kindness comes back to you. Try to do one kind thing every day. It is free, and it is very powerful for your happiness. Sometimes, you need to take a break. You cannot work all the time. If you work too much, you get stressed. Stress kills positive thinking. You need to rest. You need to do things you love. Do you like to read? Do you like to walk in the park? Do you like to listen to music? Make time for these hobbies. When you are happy and relaxed, it is easy to think positively. When you are tired, it is hard. So rest is part of the work. Rest is essential for a positive mind. Do not feel guilty for resting. You are recharging your battery. You are preparing to be positive again. Self-talk is how you talk to yourself in your head. We all talk to ourselves. Is your voice kind or is your voice mean? You must be your own best friend. Do not say, "You are stupid, Lucas." No, say, "You are doing a good job, Lucas." Be gentle with yourself. If you make a mistake, forgive yourself. Say, "It is okay, I will do better next time." This is positive self-talk. It builds your confidence. It makes you brave. When you are nice to yourself, you are happier. You can handle difficult things. Treat yourself with love and respect every day. Let us think about the future. A positive thinker has hope for the future. They believe good things will happen. This is called optimism. You can plan for good things. You can dream about your goals. Maybe you want to learn English perfectly. Believe that you can do it. Visualize your success. Close your eyes and see yourself speaking English well. This picture in your mind makes you happy. It gives you motivation. Do not worry about failing. Focus on succeeding. Believe in your dreams. Your belief makes them come true. Hope is a very strong light in your life. Now, let us talk about the end of the day. The evening is also important. How do you end your day? Do not watch sad news before bed. Do not argue with people. Create a calm routine. Maybe you drink warm milk. Maybe you read a book. Before you sleep, think about the day. What was good today? Find 3 good things that happened. Maybe you had a good lunch. Maybe you saw a beautiful bird. Think about these things as you fall asleep. This helps you have good dreams. You will wake up refreshed. You end the day with positive thinking, and you start the next day with positive thinking. Positive thinking is a choice you make every moment. It is not always easy. Sometimes life is hard. Sometimes we are sad. That is okay. You can be sad, but do not stay sad forever. Use positive thinking to come back to happiness. Remember the tools we talked about. Remember gratitude. Remember kind words. Remember to smile. You have the power to control your mind. You are the driver of your life. Choose the positive road. It is a much better journey. You will enjoy the view much more. We have talked about many things today. We talked about starting the day with a smile. We talked about handling problems calmly. We talked about the power of gratitude and kind words. We talked about choosing good friends and being kind to others. All of these things are parts of positive thinking in daily life. It is a lifestyle. It is a habit. You must practice it every day. If you practice, you will get better. Your life will become brighter. You will feel lighter. You will be happier. Thank you for listening to this episode of the Flow Podcast. I hope you learned a lot. Please remember to subscribe to our channel. Click the bell icon. Follow us on all social media platforms. We want to see you again.